Hello, hello, hello. So you can see the state of the car. It's all stripped. Carpet's off, door cards are off, and load looks clean. There's no corrosion, and it's not damaged. It seems fine. Floor has a bit of corrosion, and apply this paint on it, temporary. And there's a bit of corrosion here, and it's not damaged. It doesn't need replacing. That doesn't need replacing either. And we'll need brushing, vacuuming. Yeah, wires are fine. There's no damage here. That will need replacing. These relays were short. Replace them now. Car starts fine. So yeah, you need to. There's a bit of corrosion here. That will need treating. But it's not obviously damaged or anything. That will need treating. Need to take this plastic off. And you can see that seems fine as well. That seems fine as well. And there is a big cylinder of gas. Most people don't know what that is, but that is CNG gas. It's a kind of a dual fuel. And yeah, so that seems fine as well. There's a bit of welding here, but door seems fine. And that is cleaning. Wiring's okay. There's a bit of corrosion here, bit here. Yeah, as you can see, it's not that bad being 36 years old car. Okay, that's the carpet. Carpet is not in a good state, needs washing. And let's have a look at the back. Okay, let's open the door. Okay, rear door seems fine as well, no corrosion. Dusty, these motors needs replacing. It's all locked up, seized, and that needs sorting out as well. It's a poor repair with the parts. You can see pillars, they are okay. Console is fine as well. And yeah, rear mount is fine as well. Boot paint needs removing. Rear door card isn't in a good condition. And this door seems fine. There's a bit of corrosion on the corner, bottom corner. That will need filling up. There it is. And I'll do pressure washing and let's see what comes. And then okay, see dust and mud and all that, but there's no rust on that. There's no damage or repairs. And rear mount is fine as well. Bit of corrosion, but still is okay. It's not weakened or anything. So okay, that's the front door. And while we're removing this spoiler, it's just useless, quite heavy. My latch doesn't work, doesn't hold the boot at all. And yeah, I'll show you the front. Bonnet needs cleaning up, removing all the paint. You see this spoiler, and the rear bumper needs fixing as well. There are a few cracks. And yeah, outside is fine. There's not much damage on it. This rear arch needs fixing, and as you can see, it seems fine from outside. Rear boot needs adjusting, bit of alignment, and you can see here, seems fine. Body's not that bad. His lines are perfectly aligned. Even after 36 years, you can see no damage, no putty, clean, perfect, fine. All parts are there, rubbers, everything is there. Only paint is off. There isn't much corrosion on that. So it will make a good car after paint, so hopefully. And this side seems fine. Bonnet, obviously, that will shock you. This paint, you can see the paint is all off. Has been a gold car. That's my sweet dog having a nap. And there's a bit of hole you can see in the door. That will need filling up. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. 70 more videos are coming.
Thanks for watching
again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.